Okay guys, here I am just showing you my braiding pattern, or at least I'm trying to. Sorry if the camera's bouncing all over the place. But I was showing you that I have kind of individuals in the front, on the side, in the back, and then just straight backs in the crown area. And here's the type of hair I'll be using. These are the Passion Twist pre-made crochet locks, or crochet twists, I guess. And that's what they look like out of the package. And here I am getting started on the crochet. There is the loop there, nice and open. And I left this one plait out because I had plans to just kind of loop that in to the twist itself to hide it, which I was able to achieve later, but I did have to untwist that pre-made twist and twist the plait up in there. But here you see me just inserting the crochet hook and looping it in. And you know, if you've done crochet, then this is nothing new to you. But I also left this one plait out because right there at my edges, my hairline is pretty weak there. So I didn't want to include that into the cornrow to put extra tension on it. So that was another reason too. And here I am just closing the twist, and you can see the plait is still out. So I will try to take the crochet hook and weave the plait in there and somehow disguise it in the twist. I've seen girls do this on YouTube. I was unsuccessful, as you will soon see. But the rest of this video is pretty straightforward. So, yeah, enjoy. Thank you. right, so I'm all done with the, what are they called? Passion Twist. I'm all done with Passion Twist. I had 6 packs of hair. I had 3 of each, one of the T1B/30 and then one of the 30. And I have exactly 7 twists left. I have 3 of the ombre one and then 4 of just the 30. I don't remember how many were in the pack. I think like 11, maybe 12. But anyway, all done. And they came out pretty good. I like how they look. My braiding pattern was in such a way that I wanted to be able to wear either the deep side part like I have now. I can't tell if you guys can see me like I have now, or I wanted to do a middle part because middle parts are my favorite, but I don't like the way the middle part looks. Like I don't like how that lays. So I will just be wearing it like this. And yeah, they're very light, very fluffy, like I like it. I will definitely do this style again. When I ordered this hair from, it was either Lulutress or Sam's Beauty, one of those, they only had these 6 packs left. Like no other colors were available. It was just 3 and 3, that's it. So this is all I could get. So I was very happy to get these. I wish I would have had more because I was kind of being very careful with the spacing, especially towards the back, which let me turn around. Okay, so hopefully I'm in frame, but this is what the back is looking like. So it's pretty full, and I did do individuals in the back so that I could wear it up if I wanted to, and it didn't look crazy. Hopefully that was in frame. I have no idea. I also put individuals on the side so I could wear it up in a full bun whenever I want. So yeah, on this side too. It's gonna be hard to tell with my glasses on, but hopefully I will take some pictures and add that in later. But these are them. This took me about an hour to install, which is what I love about crochets. You know, they don't take any time at all, which is great. So that's that. I do like how it turned out, and yeah, I'm just gonna go about my day. I guess the one gripe that I would have about it is that I wish I would have gotten the longer ones. These are the 12-inch and they hit just right there, you know. So I'm on this kick where, hold on. I'm on this kick where I just want longer hair, but it is summertime, so this is probably for the best. But anyway, here they are up close. I won't be slicking down any edges. I don't like baby hairs. I don't like the whole slick look. Like, it doesn't match my texture, so why would I do that? I think it looks awesome for the girls who do it, but I don't like it. So this is all it's gonna be. The only thing I'm gonna do is put my brows on and go out the door. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.